Hi everyone, Keith Arkenberg Farms. Now we're approaching the end of June and our greenhouse is just exploding right now. Walk you around, talk to you about our tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes here. Our slicer tomatoes on the other side. Then our cucumbers, peppers, and eggplants, and how we get this explosive of growth going on for the season. So let me show you. So as I'm walking through here, you can really tell the way we're doing our cherry tomatoes is the standard single line lean lower method. A lot of good information on that all over the place. Basically grow it up, knock the suckers off. That's the easy one. The next one is using the Arkenberg trellis. This is a trellis design I've invented over the past couple of years. It involves T-post going down at angles into the ground, a leader going across, and then wires ever so often going up them that kind of box in the plant, but it gives it more of a cone shape like you get from an actual, tomato trellis you buy in the store, those little round ones. We used to have quite a few of those, and I got rid of them all when I went to this method. We do have to grow all of our slicer tomatoes in this specifically because we have wall to wall sunshine here, and we get horrible shoulder burn if we try to trellis them up a single line like this. It's a very good method that I've come up with. I invite everybody to use it, share it, talk about it, because this was a game changer when we got this figured out. And next are our cucumbers, which as you can see, they're hitting the top of the trellis up here. We're doing a mixture of methods. We're doing a umbrella method, which is your traditional, bring it up, bring it back down. And then the second method is more of a hybrid, kind of like a pepper pruning method, to where we kind of do a flag cut on the suckers instead of removing them. Like there's a nice little cucumber right there starting to come in. But the production on these has just been great so far as they've been going up. I mean, occasionally you'll get one down here because I broke the head off of it. Right down here somewhere, because it does happen. There's not much you can do about it. But these things are rocking this year. I finally got the varieties down. I've got the fertility down. Been doing a lot of research over the past couple of years, and I finally nailed it to where I want to be. And I'm getting production like this. See this guy getting ready to come down for me. I just need to finish securing that to the trellis. Which leads me to why I have not been getting a whole lot of content out over the past 2 months. Is because I've been documenting the growth of these and putting in a new module in the Market Garden Farm School. It's all about greenhouse production of tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and cucumbers, specifically honing in on them and pretty much trellising everything. As you can see, our eggplants are up on trellises, our peppers back there are up on trellises. So it's really groundbreaking way of doing things and really changes the mindsets of how you work in the greenhouse. So I'm getting that course put together. We're still in beta mode. I've got a couple of the different courses out inside of the module right now, which could really help you push your stuff up because we do multiple successions during the year. It still gives you time to use it for this year. And since we're still in beta, I'm gonna have it half price off for this week only. So 7 days after the publishing of this video, it'll be half price. After that, it's going to go up to full price or be included in the Market Garden Farm School complete course as a whole. So don't forget, head over to arkenbergfarms.com, scroll down near the bottom, you'll find the Market Garden Farm School digital tools and training on the homepage there. Click into there, you can see all the stuff we have there, lots of cool stuff, tools, spreadsheets, and of course, the Market Gardening Farm School. And that leads us to our final 2 crops growing in the greenhouse here. We've got double-headed peppers climbing up. These are some of the trickiest to actually work with to get them to start trellising correct, because it really, you have to change your mindset of how you do things to get this to work. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of very careful work. I mean, we've got peppers coming in already. They're coming in nice. We've got jalapenos back here to where it looks like I should be getting my first harvest off these as soon as I'd like to start picking on them. We've got nice large ones there. Those are, I believe, Dante, if I remember right. And what I just noticed when I was in here is that we actually have some eggplants starting to kick in here. I saw some few back here. There's a couple right there. You can barely see them through all the leaves and the stuff in there, but you can see the little bit of purple coming right through there. So they are actually about 2 weeks ahead of schedule, and I believe it's because of this method this year. We've also had a really strange, I don't know, spring, summer, whatever you want to call it, a little transitionary period we're in. We were super cold for a long time. I have a feeling that this stuff from past years should be up here. I really don't have markers to know. I just kind of get the indication of where things are at the times they're going. But it was really cool, and now it got really hot. And that really explains why all of a sudden my tomatoes have taken off. They've hit the roof. Even down here at the end over here where all my slicers are. Typically, I only need a trellis about shoulder high to contain these with the Arkenberg trellis. And this year, we're already exceeding it in quite a few spots. That might also be because I have finally nailed my fertility system into the perfect combination, perfect timing, and also really watching my watering patterns as well, because these things are already 6 foot tall. They're up to the top of where I'm at, and they've outgrown the trellis. So I might have to add another line in here or something. There's other options too, where you just kind of contain them, where you chop them off on top, but that is for another day. So I just wanted to show you where we're at in the greenhouse. Remember, I'm 6'4", and these things are taller than me already. It's just amazing. So go ahead, head over to arkenbergfarms.com, scroll down to the bottom, digital tools of training, Martin Garden Farm School, greenhouse courses in beta. Like I said, half price this week, 7 days after the publishing of this, and 7 days only after that. You can go check it out. Comes with a full Martin Garden course as well, which I'm still refining that. I've also have the post-harvest in beta as well. So go check it out. As always, hope you all liked what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep farming and have a good day.